Did you know that both science and the Bible point to the fact that God created the heavens and the earth? It's true. Welcome to Simple Bible Truth, here to help you understand things about the Bible simply so that you can go deeper. On a small scale, the intricacy of DNA has led many atheist scientists to ultimately believe that God created it. In the vastness of the universe, its fine-tuning has led many to God. And when we say fine-tuning, we're talking about things like if the earth was any closer to the sun, there would be no life. Or if the earth was any farther, it would be too cold for life. One more thing I'll mention for now is, together with the expansion of the universe, there's something called entropy. Basically how the universe is expanding and losing energy over time. Because of these and other things, scientists now know what the Bible has said all along, that there was a beginning to the universe. I'll post some links below for further study, but here's what I want to appreciate about God today. God made everything good in the beginning, and He made us humans special. That's right, you're special. We're the only creatures that He breathed His life into and gave His character. And there are also some things we can learn to obey from Genesis 1 through 2. He made us to be diligent in our work, to raise families, and to enjoy Him. He also wanted us to enjoy this life, but not to make it our idol. Unfortunately, as we'll see in the next video, our hearts tend to be idol factories. But today, I want to obey God by practicing diligence and enjoying Him. If you like videos like this, and if they're helpful for you, please do like and subscribe, and see you next time.